Hello everyone, my name is Asosa, and this is the first lesson in a brand new tutorial series of Spigot plugin coding. In today's lesson, we will be going over setting up your development workspace. This is essential to the rest of the tutorial series, and it's required. If you've already done this, you feel free to skip ahead to the next video. We will need a few things. We will need Java JDK, an IDE, and the Spigot jar. First, let's get the Java JDK, so we can just search it in Google and click on the first result. Click on the download button under JDK. Click Accept under the first box, and click on the download link for your operating system. If you are on Windows and you're unsure if you're on x86 or x64, just download the x86 version, as it will work on all systems. This may take a while, mattering on your internet speed. Now that it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up and follow the steps it provides to the installation. I will not be installing it since I already have it installed. Next, we need an IDE. An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's a program that we use to easily write and compile code. I will be using Eclipse. If you prefer another one like IntelliJ, IDEA, or NetBeans, or any other one, feel free to use that. So we can just search Eclipse in Google, and the first one should be the correct one. Just click the download button in the top right, and now click on the download link for your operating system in this banner. Again, if you're on Windows and you're unsure if you're 32-bit or 64-bit, just download 32-bit. It'll ask you to select a mirror. If you know what this means, go ahead and select whatever you want, but if you're unsure, just click this download button on the left. It should download. They'll ask you to donate, but that is not required. Eclipse is completely free. Now that it's downloaded, just go ahead and run that and install it. Again, I won't be installing it since I already have it. Next, we need the Spigot jar. Unfortunately, due to the Bucket DMCA takedown, we can't just download a jar off the internet, since that is now illegal. Fortunately, someone made a nice installer for us. So if you go to the link I provide in the description, go to the Tools section and find where it says Build Tools GUI will automatically check, you can download it here. Click the here, and it will download. It's a small file, so it shouldn't take long. Now I'm going to put it in a folder on my desktop for quick access. I recommend not putting it in a folder that has other stuff like your downloads or documents, because it will create a lot of folders and files, and it might get confusing. Now, when you download it, go ahead and run it once you have it in a folder, and just click Run Build Tools. This will take a while, mattering on your computer and internet speed. For me, it took around 10 minutes. I'm not going to be doing it on camera since it takes so long and I already did it. It'll create a folder called Build Tools, and inside you'll have the Spigot jar and the Craft Bucket jar. That's what you will be needing. And that's all for this tutorial. Next tutorial we will be covering the basics of a Spigot plugin. If you are unfamiliar with Java, I recommend you look up some tutorials on it and learn the basics of it, as I will be assuming that you know how Java works. See you in the next lesson.